Good morning. Thank you for calling College for Research and Technology of Cabanatuan. We offer high quality of technical vocational education. My name is Jessamine Eliana Alejo. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm interested in enrolling in a course. Can you provide some information?
Of course. We offer a wide range of programs in fields such as Bachelor of Technical Vocational Education, specializing in food service management. Could you please let me know which specific program you're interested in?
In as much as I want to enroll in your mentioned course, but I'm interested in the BSIT program.
Oh, great choice! Our IT program covers a variety of topics, including software development, network administrations, and cybersecurity. The program is designed to give students hand-on qualifications in IT, or if you're just starting out. This helped me to recommend the best course for you.
I don't have any prior experience, but I'm very eager to learn.
Sure, I can walk through it. The first step is filling out the outline application form, which you can do directly in our website. Once you submitted your application, we'll schedule an interview.
May karugtong pa siya with one of our academic advisors.
Um, which one of your academic advisors to discuss your goals and make sure the program is the right for you. Would you like me to email you the link to the application form and some additional information about the program?
Yes, please let me to my email.
Thank you for your interest in our programs. I'll send that information right away. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us to 09677660782 or by email. We look forward to having you as part of the student community. Have a nice day.
Okay, outbound.
Good morning. This Mr. Rainier Dales D. Sulit.
Yes, this is him.
Hi, Mr. Sulit. This calling for College for Research and Technology of Cabanatuan. I'm reaching out because you had previously shown interest in our program, and I wanted to follow up to see you had question or needed assistant completing your application.
Oh yes, I've been meaning to finish the application, but I've been busy.
I completely understand, Mr. Sulit. Life can get busy. If you like and help you guide you to the link again or assisted you with any details.
May karugtong pa siya.
Sir? Okay. I completely understand, Mr. Sulit. Life can get easy. I'd like, if you like, and help you guide through the last steps of the application or answer any questions you may have. Would it be helpful if I send you the link again or assisted you with any details?
That would be great. I'm not sure what the next step is.
Not a problem at all. After submitting the online application, the next step is to schedule an interview with one of our advisors. During that time, we discuss your educational goals, and make convenient for you. When would be a good time for us to schedule that?
I think next Tuesday works for me.
Perfect schedule. Your interview for next Tuesday. You receive an email with the details and a reminder about the interview. Is there anything else I can help you this time?
No, that's everything. Thanks for calling.
Thank you. Have a nice day.